preparing some project assignments or the project work, which we say file report for the session. Please utilize your lockdown time period. You have ample of time for doing this project work more creatively and more efficiently in a very nice manner. So we are going to learn today in this lecture how to make a project file. What are the important topics which we can take on the basis of our interest for making project file. Children, project file must look like this. Or you may have, if more creativity, you can decorate in your own way. It will be more look-wise, more better and good. Let us have a look upon the project requirements. Children, here in 9th class, this project will be of 5 marks, and also you have to prepare 2 projects. One will be from your disaster management and another will be from the specified project list from where you have to choose any one topic. So in this way you will complete your project and it will be kept for the record, and you have to prepare in a very sincere manner. Children, certain things need to take care before preparation and submission of the project file. You have to take care that the length of the project file should not be more than 15 to 20 pages, and project file must be written in your own good handwriting in good calligraphy. The project file must be presented neatly in a simple bounded folder. The project report must develop in following sequence. It means these sequences are very important. First, you have to take care the cover page. The cover page showing the project title, student information, school and year. There is an example in front of you how to mention all these. Here in front of you is the example of cover page. Next page will be of your acknowledgement, where you will give the credit to the person or the place or the site from where you have taken the help of making these projects. And then comes the page of list of contents, where you will mention the complete topics and the titles which you have selected for making the project. And then comes the introduction along with the suitable heading of the chapter and the planning of the activity how you have done. It will only cover the 15 to 20 pages. Further, one example is there in front of you. From there you can understand more easily. Last page you may mention the summary or the objective what you have learned from your project work. In between you can add the sketches or the drawings along with the pictures from the newspaper cutting to make it more impressive. At the end you have to prepare the teacher's report. For that you have to write the certificate format which is present in front of you. Children, let's have a close look upon once again how to make a project report. First thing, we have to take care about the title page, where we have to mention the title. Again, the second page will be of acknowledgement, then of content, and then introduction. With that we have to see the background. Along with that we have to take care the body report, where different section wise we will prepare the report of the selected topic. Then we have to do our self-evaluation, that what we learned, where was our weak point and what was our strength. Along with that we will conclude the project part. At last, here is one example which was taken as a CBSE project on disaster management. Let us see how the child has selected the topic and how the child has prepared this project work. This project, the child selected the topic tsunami caused in Himalayan 2013. That was your Kedarnath disaster. The worst disaster happened in the world. He pasted the pictures from the newspaper and made the impressive way. Also, he mentioned the causes behind the disaster along with some data and again some pictures or hand sketches, which gives the complete clearance about the topic, how he researched with some data. Impact of disaster towards the number of life and all is being presented graphically, and what type of emergency and the rescue taken during that time, that was also wonderfully explained by the child in language along with the pictures, and the rescue and relief operations and their overview. At the end, the child concluded what he learned while making the project. In this way he concluded. Along with that, he ended up with the Viva questions 10 to 15, which makes the clearance about the topic. Hope this video will help you out in making your project file in an easy manner. Thank you so much.